So, back to the grind. Did someone say that summer's coming? Because we've got the woolly hat on and the body warmer. It's cold in the shed today. So this morning we have light socket on a trailer. If you don't do the ends of your wires like this for your socket, just give it up. These are the bomb. They're the only job to stop them wires slipping out. And you have to crimp them with this bad boy. When he crimps it, that wire is not coming out there. Look how tight that is. It is brilliant. Anyway, we get this on, and it's only bulbed lights in the back of it. So I guarantee you, maybe 1 or 2 lights will work in the back of it. So let's get this on and see what works. Right, that's that wired up. No loose wires. Everything nice and tight. Just a useless bit of trivia. Which wire in this whole thing is the most important wire? Please put in the comments. And the significance of some of these colours, right? So your indicators is yellow and green. So yellow is your left because it has an L in it for left, and green is your right hand one because it has an R in it for right. And the same with your parking or side lights is brown and black. And which one is which is left and which is right? I'm sure you can guess. And then your red wire is obviously your stoplight, and your blue wire is your fog light. One other thing as well that's handy on these, when we get a screwdriver. Sometimes when you plug in your light socket and light is not working, you wiggle it and it'll work. You see these lads, they will eventually squeeze in, and in your trailer socket you have a round that like this that slides into, and vice versa. Your trailer socket has these lads that fit into these three, and if they get squeezed in, they won't make good contact. So sometimes you need to get a screwdriver in there, just squeeze it out ever so slightly, because it's tapered. So even if you go a little bit too much, it will push in itself. But they need to be clean, and they need to be, if they're flattened in, you know to look at it, that the hole is, that the gap is closed up. So keep them widened. That's why sometimes when you wriggle the wire, that it will come on. So let's get the cover back on this and we'll have a look at the backlights. Fucking Christmas tree, right? What can you do with that? They're fair frustrating. Don't mind the indicator staying on. I don't have a relay blinker on my tester box, so but we seem to have lights working now anyway, so it'll keep going for the time being. So lights are not wonderful on her, but we'll get her back in and we'll get a set of LEDs on her, and we'll put new wire back to the front. This trailer's coming back in to get this ramp moved back, because it's actually just shy of 8 foot, so you can't get an 8x4 sheet or 8 foot planks in on the floor. So we're going to put a new wooden floor into it, and we're going to move this ramp back by 2 inches as well, and put a new frame around the back, and move all these brackets back out and make this a bit more user friendly for the customer. This is our little tester box. So she's crude, but she does the job. So her indicators, park lights, brake, fog, Under park light and the right hand indicator as well. Just plug her in there. We have a handy little USB socket there for charging your phone or the torch or whatever. And this one up here is for, you can plug a Susie into that and you can plug it into your van or your Jeep, and we can see that your lights work on your towing vehicle before we worry about trying to fix the lights on the trailer. But I must make a new one now and put in a flash unit for the indicators now. And I have a fob light for that, but never wired it in the usual crack. So that's it. Then run back to the customer. So back to the grind. Did someone say that summer's coming? Because we've got the woolly hat on and the body warmer. It's cold in the shed today. So this morning we have light socket on a trailer. If you don't do the ends of your wires like this for your socket, just give it up. These are the bomb. They're the only job to stop them wires slipping out.